afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I'm going to show you how I made this wonderful mess of a home screen using Samsung Good Lock, the Home Up module, and the DIY home screen option. As you can see here, it's just a beaut. If you're somebody that has OCD about their icons and their home screen and the aesthetics of it, this video is probably not for you unless you want to just see how absolutely terrible you can make it. Obviously, using this option, you can make some pretty cool stuff too if you are somebody that wants to make a nice aesthetic home screen, but I'm not that person, so I just kind of threw things around and just made something to show you how absolutely customizable this option makes it. So with this option turned on, you can tap DIY Home up there on your home screen layout, and you can tap icons and move them wherever. They can overlap each other. They're not locked to a certain grid. You can make them bigger. You can turn them sideways. You can do all kinds of stuff. You can use those buttons down on the bottom to reset the size and reset the rotation. You can add different emojis and memojis and whatever they're called, all that kind of stuff. You can resize the widgets outside of just the regular sizing that the widget allows you. So you can make that one kind of like the full size, weather layout widget with the forecast and everything, but you can make it so it's a different, a smaller size. You can tap multiple things at once and move them around as a group. So that's pretty cool. You can keep things in line like that. You can put folders on top of each other, everything. You can just do whatever. The cool thing about this feature is if you screw it up, you don't have to reset your entire home screen. If you want to make one of these just to mess with people, kind of probably what I'm going to do, you can turn it on and off. So if you go back in here to home settings and you go to home screen and you turn DIY home screen off, you go back and your home screen is normal once again. You can go back in there. You can go back, you can turn it back on. It'll mess it back up just like that. So it's two different layouts. You don't have to worry about, totally screwing up your actually, good home screen. Because I'm the kind of person that once I have icons in a certain place for a while, I like to keep them there. It's just a muscle memory thing. You can also tap into this. It'll give you a little information about it. You can make a cool little layout and stuff like that, put them in a circle, whatever you want to do. You can also push this reset button down here and reset the DIY home screen layout to how it was if you do want to start over, which is very easy to do. So that is DIY home screen on Good Lock. You just need to download the Samsung Good Lock app and download the Home Up module, and you can do all that kind of customizations on your Galaxy device. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.